Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add effects on Instagram story. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, then click on plus icon. Then tap on story option. Just click. Okay, then use effect. Then try another effect. Then choose on gallery. Then choose on video. Then done. And this option is effect option. Then select effects. Then done. And share. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.